Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are putting two popular investing platforms head to head, Webull and Fidelity. If you are trying to decide which platform deserves your focus, you need to understand their core philosophies. One is sleek, modern, and built for speed, while the other is traditional and incredibly deep. Let us break down exactly which one is right for your investing style. Let us start with Webull. Webull is built from the ground up for the mobile-first trader. If you value a clean, fast, and highly modern interface, this is going to feel right at home. It excels in execution speed, making it a fantastic choice for active, short-term traders focused on stocks, ETFs, and options. However, Webull keeps it streamlined by cutting out older assets. You will not find mutual funds or bonds here. If your goal is strictly active trading and you want zero account minimums alongside commission-free stock and ETF trades, Webull is highly appealing. On the other side, we have Fidelity. Fidelity represents the traditional full-service brokerage experience. It is designed for depth and long-term wealth building. While their app has seen significant improvements recently, it might not feel quite as slick as Webull. But what it lacks in modern flash, it makes up for in pure utility. With Fidelity, you get the complete investing suite. You can trade stocks and ETFs, but you also gain access to mutual funds, bonds, and dedicated retirement accounts like IRAs. Fidelity also shines when it comes to deep research tools and actual human customer support. Like Webull, Fidelity offers commission-free stock and ETF trading with zero account minimums. Crucially, they also offer mutual funds with absolutely no transaction fees, which is a massive advantage if you are a long-term investor. So how do you choose? It comes down to your primary goal. Go with Webull if you want a fast, simple, and modern way to actively trade without the need for retirement accounts or complex assets. Go with Fidelity if you want a complete investing ecosystem, plan to invest for retirement, value comprehensive market research, and want customer support you can actually call. Many investors even start with Webull to learn the ropes, then transition to Fidelity as their strategy matures. Thanks for tuning in to ClearTask. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward reviews and let us know in the comments which platform you plan to use.